All right, so here you're gonna learn how to install what?
Here we're learning how to install a window onto one of these commercial doors. So step one, you want to make sure you have your double-sided sticky foam tape around. This will help make sure that when the door does close, it doesn't have too many vibrations and actually crack the window.
Okay.
So you want to peel off all the four sides here from your sticky tape. And you grab the glass.
You grab the glass. Okay.
Now, when you guys set the glass in, you want to make sure it's up against all four corners, and then you want to actually click it into place. Yeah.
Perfect. And then?
And from here, let's not scratch that.